I haven't made a video in a while, but again, I want to stress the importance of understanding the difference between a hand drill that floats and a hand drill that you should not try to float, and use a pressure thumb brace with it. So if we look at the ends of these two plant stalks, this one is a prickly lettuce, and notice that the pith inside is really large and the walls are a little thinner. But this is a dogfennel from, I think, South Carolina. My friend Andreas sent this to me with a bunch of other ones for me to try. This will be my first fire hack of a dogfennel. So dogfennel's been done. And I think Andreas did a couple of those, but this will be my first time. But so I want to point out that dogfennel here, this one here, notice that the walls are thicker and the pith is smaller. Therefore, the wall surface area is larger. There's a larger amount of surface area, which means you're going to need to apply more pressure. And applying more pressure with your hands is really bad. So you don't want to do that. So prickly lettuce, I would float. I've done this before, floating with this one particular stalk, and I know it works. Okay, but the point is that if I saw this, I would just go immediately, I'm not going to try and float this one. So here we have a board of INCENSE cedar, okay, and I'm going to choose this notch here, this one here. So in order to save on time and energy, the notch is really high from the floor. So what you want to do is you want to take your sawdust, which is dry, and fill the notch. That way you don't have to try to fill the entire notch with hot ash. You only need to fill the top. So, alright, so pressure thumb brace. I have a new design which I recently sent to someone. So this is a double. So in past videos, I made one that looks like this, and it's a single, but I've doubled the thickness. So we're going to double it and put your thumbs through it. So it's double the thickness now. Alright. So this is my first ever dogfennel. I don't know how it's going to go, but we're about to find out. Alright, so that lays directly in the middle on top, and the chamois cloth just grabs hold of the top, just goes right around it. Okay, so this has never been used before, so three things have to happen. It has to mate together, it has to warm up and make dust, and it has to ignite. So we got to do those three things. So right now we hear squeaking, which means there's not enough pressure. We have a sound change, which means now we have real friction. And I'm just going to lean on it and get as much rotation and speed as I can, and just keep going. Alright, let's see what we got. And I have my first ever DOGFENNEL coal with incense cedar board. But I definitely would not have tried to float that. See how thick the wall is? How small the pith is compared to the prickly lettuce? You should really pay attention to this when you harvest certain stalks. This is really a big deal. All right? All right. Thanks for watching. Till next time.